Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, what is the minimum amount to start trading for a beginner? Answer by Sagar Thakrar. To be honest, there is no fixed minimum amount that you need. But you need to factor in what do you want to trade. If you want to day trade in equity, you can start off with a low amount, probably around 50k. That being said, you need to be careful about risk management. You cannot take 20x leverage on a small amount because that would be high risk. For example, let's say you buy 10,000 shares of 100 rupees with 20x leverage on 50k. Now suppose the shares tank by 1%. Your capital would go down by 10,000 rupees, which is roughly 20%. This is high risk. Instead of this, take a small leverage like 34x. The returns would be lower, but you won't blow your account. The second option is trading in futures. I would avoid this if I was a beginner. But the minimum amount I would recommend is Rs 100k per lot of futures. Since you are day trading, if you take 34 positions simultaneously, your capital should be at least 5 lakhs. Futures are already highly leveraged products. If you take even more leverage using lease or CO/both, you might wipe off your capital within minutes even before you realize it. The third category is options. For options, you can either buy or sell. Buying options on an intraday basis can be lucrative for some people as it offers the same leverage as futures but without the additional loss-making potential, albeit at a small cost. The problem with buying options, however, is pricing it right and factoring in the Greeks. However, if you are convinced on buying options, then prefer ATM ones as they are reasonably priced for the most part in a low volatility environment. For this, you would need 20k per position. Considering 34 positions, I would suggest 1 lakh as minimum capital with another 1 lakh in reserve to compensate if you blow up your account. Selling options on an intraday basis can sometimes be beneficial too, as you can manage risk by selecting strike prices. On an average, 1 lot of options is around Rs 100k. By taking 34 positions, I would suggest maintaining a capital of 4 lakh rupees. You can take MES leverage in options once you get experience, but that would only defeat the purpose of risk aversion. One more tip: if you are day trading, try to go for a discount brokerage like Zerodha or Upstocks as the brokerage is low. Develop your own system and do not rely on tips by lemon sellers. Good luck trading. Answer by Deepali Biswas. Don't let anyone tell you what is the minimum amount you should start with. You can begin with 2k or 3k or 5k or 10k or even 100k. It all depends on the capital you can safely put into your trading account. Remember, don't go for earning at a high pace, go for earning consistently in the stock markets. Even if you invest 2k or 3k, and if you choose a stock that has a margin of 10 to 12 times, you'll be able to buy stocks worth 20k or 30k. That could give you a reasonable profit in the end when you see the amount you actually invested. You can slowly grow your capital this way. Remember, you should choose a broker that give a good margin/leverage. As of now, I'd prefer you to open an account with Zerodha. The answer by Ashwin SV. If you're a beginner, first of all, you should start investing and not trading. Investment is a wholesome process, which includes trading as a part of it. Your investments in stock markets should be based on your risk appetite and financial goals. The amount which you can save is equally good for initial investment. Be an informed investor. Use Stockbook, Share Market Companion, Android apps on Google Play. Browse through the Learn section of the app and gain knowledge about investing in stock markets, and then make a suitable investment decision.